Welcome to TMC virtual class. Student, I will take today mathematics part 1, chapter number 1, linear equation in two variables. So student, this chapter is very important for exam point of view. Already some part you completed in 9th standard, but in this chapter we have to solve linear equation in two variables by different method like graphical method, then Cramer's rule, substitution method. So first we have to start what is the meaning of linear equation in two variables. So let's see. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is a general form of linear equation in two variables. So you can see here like x and y. This x and this y is linear equation in two variables. Simply we can write these variables, two variables. And in this part, a, b can't be 0. A and b can't be 0. So we can say also say that linear equation in two variables. So equation in which maximum index is 1. Like quadratic equation, maximum index is 2. Like cubic, maximum index is 3. But in linear equation, maximum index of variable is that is 1. And they contain two variables like in this form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where x and y are two variables. So this part is very important. You have to remember, take some examples, that time you can understand easily. Like 4m plus 3n equal to, it is given 12. So now you can see ax, but it is given in m and n. So variable either any like x, y, mn, b, c, anything. So mn. So and maximum index is 2. So we can say that the given equation is linear equation in two variables. Take some other example like 3x square minus 7y equal to 13. So in this part, student, you can see there are two variables. Yes, correct, x and y. But condition is maximum index is 2. But in this equation, maximum index is here 2. But condition is maximum index should be 1. So the given equation is not linear equation is two variables. This one is not. This is yes. Take another example. 0x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. So student, again I told you that earlier also that a and b can't be 0, but in this part a is 0. So we can say that the given equation is not linear equation in two variables. So some examples you can understand by the simple way. The standard equation in general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and the maximum index is 1. So that is called linear equation in two variables. So I think you understood the basic part of this lesson. So let's start practice set 1.1. So student, in the first practice set 1.1, first sum is we have to complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. So what is meaning of simultaneous equation? When you think two equation in the same time, अगर एक ही time पे आप think करते हो तो both of the equation, that time it is known as simultaneous equation. So let's see what is the given. 5x plus 3y equal to 9. 5x plus 3y equal to 9. And second, this one is equation number 1, and equation 2 is given 2x plus 3y is given 12. Equation number 2. So suppose whenever you want to solve any simultaneous equation, you have to remember two important things. That first thing you have to remember, the first important point you have to remember, same pair, and second one is opposite sign. So whenever these two parameter, if you solve, that time it is very simple and easy method to solve any simultaneous equation linear equation in two variables. So first understand how can we solve this sum. So in this part you can see it is given 5x plus 3y equal to 9 and 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So in this part same pair, so identify it is given 3y and this one is 3y. So first part is done, same pair. But what about the second? We require opposite sign. So you can see plus and plus. So that time it is not possible to I think there's some mistake is given in your textbook. In place of plus there is a some minus, so we can take here you can give here minus, so it become very simple. So 2x minus 3y. So first thing is same pair 3y, and second condition is also fulfilled. You can see opposite sign, so plus 3y minus 3y. So whenever you see this thing opposite sign, that time you have to add these two equations. So we can write by adding equation first and equation second. So we can add these two equations. It is given 5x plus 3y equal to 9, then 2x minus 3y is 12. We can add this thing, simple addition, 9 plus 12 that is 21, then plus 3y minus 3y. That's why we have to take opposite sign, because one variable will get cancelled to each other. So 3y and 3y get cancelled. 5x plus 2x is 7x. Now we have to find the value of x. So x equal to 21 upon 7. 7 3s are 21. So now student, the first variable that is x, answer is 3. Now we have to find the value of y. So we can put in equation number, it is given in your textbook, we have to put in equation number 1. So we can put x equal to 3 in equation number 1. In equation 1. So what is equation 1? 5x plus 3y equal to 9. So 5x plus 3y equal to 9. Now in place of x we can put 3. So 5 in bracket 3 plus 3y equal to 9. 5 3s are 15 plus 3y equal to 9. Now student, we want to find the answer of y. So this side is plus, opposite side become minus. So 3y equal to 9 minus 15. Answer is minus 6, because greater is minus 15. Now we have to find the value of y. Minus 6 upon 3. Answer is 3 2 ja 6. So answer is minus 2. So now you can see in textbook also answer is given minus 2. So that is x and y. So whenever it is given box, so you can write in box part, and the final answer of x and y is solution is, it is given, we have to write the value of x and y. So what is the value of x? X is 3 and y is minus 2. So in place of x we can put 3 and y is minus 2. So this is your final answer. Suppose whenever you want to solve any linear equation in two variable, student, this sum is very simple. You have to remember two important parameters. First, again I am repeating, same pair, and second one is opposite sign. Same pair, like in this part you can see 3y and 3y, it is given same pair, and second parameter is we require opposite sign. So you can see there is also opposite sign, but in some sum you will not get same sign, and then you will get same sign, then we have to convert into opposite sign, then you have to also convert into same pair by multiply the equation. So we'll see all these things in next part of this chapter. So let's start. If you want to take a screenshot you can take, then we can proceed with the next sum. Okay. Next sum, students, solve the following simultaneous equation. This type of sum will come in your board for 2 or 3 marks. So first start with the first sum. The first sum is given 3a plus 5b equal to 26. Question number 2, first sum. 3a plus 5b is given 26. Equation number 1. And equation 2 is given a plus 5b is 22. That is equation number 2. So again student, you have to apply the same thing. Now you can see condition is same pair and opposite sign. So same pair, but you can see a and 3a, that is not a same pair. 5b and 5b, it is given same pair, but we require opposite sign. So if you want to take require opposite sign means if you want to convert plus into minus, so we have to subtract. So we can subtract equation number 1 to equation number 2. So what is equation? That is 3a plus 5b equal to 26, a plus 5b equal to 22. So whenever you subtract, you have to change the sign. So it is given plus, so plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. So we can subtract. So whenever you subtract, you have to change the sign. Now next part, 26 minus 22, answer is 4. Now you can see plus 5b and minus 5b. That's why we have to change the sign to cancel one variable. So 5b plus 5b and minus 5b get cancelled. Now 3a minus 2a. Always remember you have to take here next sign, that is minus. और ये plus वाला भी चला गया, so that is minus. So 3a minus a, that is answer is 2a. Now we have to find the value of a, 4 upon 2. So answer is 2 2 ja 4. So answer is 2. So first part is done. We have the value of a. Now we have to find the value of b. So you can put in any equation, either in equation 1 or 2, you will get the same answer. Let's put a equal to 2 in equation number, suppose take 1. Put a equal to 2 in equation number 1. So what is equation 1? 3a plus 5b equal to 26. Now in place of a, we can take 2. So 3 in place of a, 2 plus 5 b equal to 26. Now 3 2 ja 6 plus 5 b equal to 26. Now this side is plus, that side become minus. So 5 b equal to 26 minus 6, answer is 20. Now this side is multiply, opposite side become divide. So that's why b equal to 20 upon 5, answer is 4. So solution is, answer of a is 2 and b is 4. So we can write last part, solution is, it is a and b. A is 2 and b is 4. So 2 and 4. Student, if you want to check answer, your answer is correct or not, so you can do one thing. You can put in any equation a or b and just check left hand side and right hand side are same or not. So 3a plus 5b. So check answer. Check your answer. It is only for you. It is not necessary that you have to write in your answer paper. You have to just check your answer. So first, now you can see 3a plus 5b equal to 26. So 3a plus 5b equal to 26. Correct? Now, if you want to check your answer, so do one thing. In place of a, you can put 2 and b 4. That is 26. So 3 2 ja 6 and 5 4 ja 20. 26 and that is 26. So now you can see left hand side as well as right hand side, we are getting the same thing. Means your answer is correct. So it is only for you that if you want to check your answer, कि correct है या नहीं है, you can apply this thing and you will sure अब आपको पता चल जाए कि आपका आंसर करेक्ट है या नहीं है. So by using this method, simple method, you can solve any simultaneous equation given in practice set 1.1. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take, then we can proceed next part. Okay. Okay student, next sum is, it is given x plus 7y equal to 10. X plus 7y is given 10 and 3x minus 2y is equation number 1. 3x minus 2y is given 7. Equation number 2. Now student, you have to apply the same thing, same method, same pair. So same pair is not possible because it is given x, 3x, 7y, 2y, but opposite sign. So either you can make this thing also common x, but बाद में उसको आपको opposite sign में convert करने के लिए subtract करना पड़ेगा. But you can see plus and minus, we have the opposite sign. So second parameter is fulfilled in y. So we can do one thing, we can make same pair by multiply. So how can we multiply? Simple method. So if we multiply by 7 2 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14. So multiply by 2 in equation number 1. So multiply by equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 7, because 7 2 ja 14 and 2 7 ja 14. So simple thing. So multiply by 7 in equation number 2. In equation 2. Simple thing. So if you want to make common, you can also make common x, but one necessary thing you have to change the sign by subtract. So simple thing, opposite sign is given, so we have to make the first condition, that is same pair, so we can multiply. So now you can see, when you multiply by 2, we will get 2x plus 14y equal to 20. Similarly, second equation, 7 3 is 21, so 21x, then 7 2 is 14, that is minus 14y, and 7 7 is 49. Now you can see opposite sign, that is plus and minus, so we can add these two equations. So simple addition. So we can add this thing, 0 plus 9, that is 9, 2 plus 4 is 6, that is 69, plus y minus y means minus, and plus 14y will get cancelled. 2 plus 21x, that is 23x. Now we have to find the value of x, 69 upon 23. So 23, 3 3 is 9, 2 3 is 6. So x equal to 3. So first part is done. We have the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. So simple way, same thing, yes, correct. We have to put the value in equation number 1. So put x equal to 3 in equation number 1. Equation number 1. So student, what is equation 1? That is x plus 7y equal to 10. X plus 7y equal to 10. So what is the value of x? X is given 3 plus 7y equal to 10. This side plus, opposite side become minus. So 7y equal to 10 minus 3. 7y equal to 7. Y equal to 7 upon 7. So answer is 1. So now you can see 3 and 1. If you want to check again the same thing, so you can check 3 plus 7 1 is 7. So 3 plus 7 is 10. So your answer is correct. So we can write the last part, that is solution, that is x and y. X and y. So x is 3 and y is 1. So we can write in place of x is 3 and y is 1. So that is your final answer. So student, if you know the correct method and if you go step by step, your answer is always correct. So you have to follow the same method, and in exam this question will come for 2 or 3 marks. So it is very beneficial for you, and you can try at your home also. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take, then we can proceed next sum. Okay. Next, third sum is given 2x minus 3y equal to 9. 2x minus 3y equal to 9, equation number 1. And second equation is 2x plus y equal to 13. 2x plus y equal to 13. Okay. Very simple sum. Again the same method. Now student, you can see in this part, again same pair we require. So easily you can identify, yes, correct, it is 2x and here is also 2x. But what about the second parameter, that is opposite sign? So student, it is also plus 2x and in second equation also 2x also plus. So that time we have to take opposite sign, so we can, yes, correct, so we have to subtract. So we can subtract, so we do one thing, equation 2 and equation 1, so we can subtract. So we have to change the sign, minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. Simple, so we can write here subtract. Minus 13 plus 9, yes, so greater sign is minus 13, so we have to take minus 4. Now minus and minus become plus, so minus 3y and minus y. अभी आपको ये साइन नहीं देखना है, this plus converted into minus. So minus 3y minus y minus 4y. Similarly, plus 2x and minus 2x get cancelled with each other. So here minus 4y equal to minus 4. So this minus and minus get cancelled. We have to find the value of y. So this side is multiply and opposite side become divide. So plus convert into minus, minus become plus, divide become multiply, and multiply become divide. Simple rule. So 4 upon 4. That is answer is 1. So we have the value of y, but we require the second variable, that is x also. So we can put in equation number 1. So put y equal to 1 in equation number 1, also 2. इज योर चॉइस. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ 1 में पुट करने पे आंसर आएगा. अगर आपको सेकंड में पुट करना है तो आप सेकंड में पुट कर सकते हो. आंसर द सेम. सो इन इक्वेशन नंबर, सो चलो इसमें मैं सेकंड में पुट करता हूँ. पुट y इक्वल टू 1 इन इक्वेशन नंबर 2. सो लेट्स चेक क्या आता है. हर एक सम में हम लोग ने 1 में पुट किया, इस सेकंड में पुट करके देखते हैं आंसर क्या आता है. सो 2x प्लस y इक्वल टू 13. 2x plus y equal to 13. So now student, we have to find the value of x. So y is 1. So 2x, y is 1 equal to 13. Now this side is plus, opposite sign become minus. So 2x equal to 13 minus 1. So 2x equal to 13 minus 1 is, yes, correct, answer is 12. Now we have to find the value of x. So 12 upon 2, this side multiply, opposite side become divide. So 2 6 are 12. So answer is 6. So suppose if you want to check answer, so you can put in equation number 2, just check 2 into x. So 2 into 6 is 12 and y is 1. So 12 plus 1 is correct 13. So this way you can check your answer. यहाँ पे put करके देखते हैं. 2 x का वैल्यू क्या है, 6 आया है. So 2 into x, that is 6, that is 12 and y is 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So you can check your answer by your own self. But ये आपको एग्जाम में नहीं करना है check your answer. Only for your understanding that we have the value of x and y. बस इतना लिखना solution. It is x and y. What is the value of x? That is 6 and y is 1. So 6 and 1. So this way you can solve sum number 3 by simple method. Okay. Same way student, we can solve sum number 4. Sum number 4 is given 5m minus 3n equal to 19. Sum number 4. 5m minus 3n is given 19, that is equation number 1, and m minus 6n equal to minus 7. m minus 6n, sorry, 6n, it is given minus 7. Equation number 2. So in this part, student, same pair. So that's 5m and m, 3 and 6, not possible. So we can do one thing. Equation 1 is given 5m and equation 2 is given m. So if you multiply equation number 1 by 1 only and equation 2 by 5, you convert into m into 5m. अगर आपको 1 है और आपको 5 में कन्वर्ट करना है, so we can multiply by 5. So equation number 2 by 5 and equation 1 is by 1. So just check क्या मिलता है. So 5m minus 3n equal to 19. Similarly, in second equation, we multiply 5 into m. 5m minus 6 5 are 30n equal to 7 5 are 35. It is minus 35. Now, we have the same pair, that is 5m and 5m. But what about opposite sign? But both is plus. So if you want to convert into opposite sign, yes, correct. So we have to subtract these two equations. This become 3 and this become 4. So we can subtract this two new equation, that is, so whenever you subtract, you have to change the sign. This minus become plus, minus become plus, plus become minus. So 19 plus 35. So 9 plus 5 is 14, remaining 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. It is 54. Similarly, plus 30 and minus 3n. So plus 30 means greater sign is positive. So 30 minus 3 is 27 and n. So 27n. Now plus 5m and minus 5n. Now it get cancelled. So now we have to find the value of n. So 54 upon 27. So 27 2 is 54. अगर आपको टेबल नहीं आता तो 9 से करो या 3 से करो. 3 9 is 27 और 9 3 is 27. 9 6 is 54. Or directly we can cancel 27 2 is 54. So n equal to 2. So we have the value of n. Now we have to find the value of m. So we can put in any equation. So put n equal to 2 in equation number 1. In equation number 1. Yes, correct. So what is equation 1? Equation 1 is given 5m minus 3n is 19. So we can put here 19. Now we have the value of n. So in place of n we can put 2. So 5m minus 3 in place of n we can put 2 equal to 19. Simple calculation now. 5m minus plus become minus 3 2 is 6 equal to 19. 5m 19 plus 6 minus become plus. So 5m equal to 25. Now we have to find the value of m. 25 upon 5. Answer is 5. 5 5 is 25. So now student, we have the value of m, that is 5, and n is 2. So final answer is, we can write, solution is, that is m and n. What is the value of m? M is 5 and n is 2. So just write the value 5 and 2. So that is your final answer. So students, simple calculation, simple method. If you apply, you will get the correct answer. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Then we can proceed the sum number 5. Okay. So student, in next class we will solve sum number 5, that is 5x plus 2y equal to -3. You can try at your home also. And next part we will discuss very important sum, like sum number 7 and 8 is very important, and this type of question will come for 3 marks in your board. So we'll see in next class. So thank you so much. We'll see you in next class.